Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gravy with flour. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of pan drippings or a fat like butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of your preferred broth or stock. Don't forget salt and pepper for seasoning. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The foundation of great gravy is a well-made roux. Start by melting about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until it forms a smooth paste. Continue cooking this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a light golden color. This step cooks out the raw flour taste. Now it's time to add the liquid. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 2 cups of cold broth or stock into your roux. Adding cold liquid to a hot roux helps prevent lumps, ensuring a silky smooth gravy. Keep whisking continuously as you pour, making sure all the flour is fully incorporated. This creates a consistent base for your delicious gravy. Finally, bring your gravy to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. As it simmers, it will naturally thicken. Taste and season generously with salt and pepper. If it's too thick, a splash more broth will thin it out perfectly. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.